Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can activate and add captions to your video clips you edit on Adobe Express Video. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your video editing project on Adobe Express Video. And here guys, on your timeline at the bottom, you will see your video track, the audio track below, and above it, here in the top left, you will see the captions menu. Click into it. So if your video clip, now I'm not going to play this here, for example, due to copyright reasons, but let's assume your video clip consists of an audio track and there's some voiceover or spoken text, so that you may generate captions from that media, as you can see. So you can enable this by selecting the spoken language here and by also choosing the media source. So you may go with videos, audios, and disable because I haven't added any audio yet, but as previously mentioned guys, if your video contains an audio, this option will be available. So enable it here, start by clicking into generate, and after that Adobe Express Video will create captions from your audio and video. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.